to my channel, Learning English with Justina. In the last video, we talked about the alphabet and we discussed the short and long vowel sounds, and we emphasized on the short vowel sounds. In today's video, we're going to talk about the long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds are pronounced like the letter itself. For example, A, as in pay, skate, tape, paint. E, as in sheep, needle, wheel, seal. I, as in bike, dive, light, pie. O, as in coach, boat, stone, road. And U, as in cube, tube, glue, blue. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.